Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you guys how to end call with power button. Have you ever been in a situation where you're on a call and can't find the end button on your screen? Well, fear not, we've got a solution for you. So here's what you can do. First, go and open your settings, search for accessibility and tap on it. After that, tap on side button and set it to anywhere in Siri or classic voice control. Now doing this, you will now successfully be able to end a call using a power button. So next time you find yourself struggling to end a call quickly, remember this handy trick and just press the power button and you're done. If you find this tip useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.